Welcome back, everyone, to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an incredible topic to discuss that can transform your life. We are talking about unleashing your full potential, tapping into that unlimited power within you. So, get ready to unlock your true capabilities and become the best version of yourself. Let's dive right in. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this incredible journey to unlock your full potential. We all have dreams, goals, and aspirations, but sometimes, we feel stuck or held back. Today, we are going to explore practical strategies and techniques that can help you break through those barriers and unleash your full potential. Look at some of the world's most successful individuals. Whether they're athletes, entrepreneurs, artists, or leaders, they all have one thing in common: they've learned how to tap into their full potential and create extraordinary results. And the best part is, you can do it too. To unleash your full potential, the first step is to believe in yourself. Your mindset plays a crucial role in shaping your reality. Embrace a growth mindset, where you see challenges as opportunities for growth and setbacks as stepping stones to success. The next step is personal development. Take the time to invest in yourself. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and surround yourself with positive influences. Continuously expanding your knowledge and skills will help you unlock hidden talents and discover new passions. Another important aspect is setting clear goals. Without a target, it's challenging to unleash your full potential. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, commonly known as SMART goals. Break them down into smaller milestones, and celebrate your progress along the way. These are some powerful techniques to tap into your full potential. One technique that can make a profound difference is visualization. By vividly imagining yourself achieving your goals and experiencing success, you're programming your mind to work towards making it a reality. Visualization activates your subconscious mind, enabling you to tap into your full potential and bring your dreams to life. These techniques are incredibly powerful and can help you transform your life. But remember, it's essential to take consistent action and step out of your comfort zone to truly unleash your full potential. That brings us to the end of today's video. We've explored strategies like adopting a growth mindset, investing in personal development, setting goals, and employing visualization techniques. Remember, you have untapped potential within you just waiting to be unleashed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring videos.